Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about the shortest route. Challenge. Evaluate options and pick the shortest route. For the last challenge in this lesson, you'll make Byte move in a bigger, more complicated world than you just seen up to now. This world has 2 portal gems, and there are many possible solutions. Figure out the shortest route for Byte to pick up the gem and toggle to open the switch. You could use both of the. You might need to use your commands you've learned up to now. You also might need to use your debugging skills too. Tip: you want to change your character? Tap Byte to choose a new look. We're not going to do that now. So first, we would move forward. And I'm also going to teach you the shorter way and the 2 longer ways that are 10 steps and 11 steps. I'm going to do the 7-step one. So we will have to move forward until the gem. Then we'll collect the gem. Then we move forward twice. Now we're on the portal. We teleport to the portal. We move forward twice and then we toggle the switch. Now this one's pretty short because we only have to move forward like 7 times. So, and also put it on fast mode so it goes a little faster. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!